If you just want these commands, there's a link in the description to my website, but here's a quick demonstration of how they work. SSH is a protocol that allows two computers to communicate. Now, usually when we use it, we're just using it to log in from one computer into another. And that's what I'm going to show you here. In this example, I have two virtual machines, and on the left I have one acting as a client, and on the right I have another acting as a server, and I'm going to log into the server from the client on the left. So first, on the server, we're going to switch over to the root user by using su root. On the server, we're going to install SSH with this command, apt install OpenSSH server. To use SSH, you need three things: the username, the password, and the host name. To get the host name of your machine, type in hostname minus capital I. To log into your machine, on your client, type in SSH username @IP. Enter your password, and that's it. I've now logged in. So I'm going to log out with Control D. If you don't want to enter a password every time you SSH, you can create an SSH key. On your client, type in SSH keygen-t RSA. You can save it to the default location by pressing enter. You probably don't want to enter a passphrase. And that's it, your key is now created. You can transfer this key by using SSH copy ID and putting in the SSH login details of your other machine. You can see here I've added my key. Now when I go to log in, I won't be prompted for a password.